The journey to a powerful physique begins with the shoulders. Welcome to the ultimate shoulder workout guide to get those coveted Boulder shoulders. You see, in the world of fitness, Boulder shoulders is a term that signifies well-developed, massive shoulder muscles. It's not just about aesthetics, though. A strong shoulder enhances overall body strength and functionality. The shoulders are pivotal for most upper body movements, making them essential for a well-rounded fitness regime. Now imagine owning shoulders that are not only powerful but also aesthetically pleasing. Shoulders that exude strength and speak volumes about your dedication to fitness. That's the beauty of Boulder shoulders. This workout regimen is designed to help you achieve just that. With a combination of consistency, dedication, and the right exercises, you can work your way towards muscular, balanced, and strong shoulders. By the end of this journey, you will be equipped with the knowledge to sculpt your shoulders into a symbol of power and strength. Before diving into the exercises, it's crucial to understand the anatomy of your shoulders. Let's break it down. The shoulder is made up of several muscles, the most significant being the deltoids, the rotator cuff, and the trapezius. The deltoids are the muscles that give your shoulders their rounded appearance. These are divided into three parts: the anterior, lateral, and posterior deltoid. Each part plays a specific role in shoulder movements and aesthetics. Next up is the rotator cuff, a group of 4 muscles that stabilize your shoulder joint. These muscles are essential for all shoulder movements and preventing injuries. Lastly, we have the trapezius. This large muscle extends down the back of your neck and upper spine, contributing to the broadness of your shoulders. Together, these muscles work in harmony to provide strength and aesthetics to your shoulder. Understanding this anatomy is key to a balanced workout regimen, helping you prevent injuries and achieve those Boulder shoulders. With a clear understanding of your shoulder anatomy, you can now take full advantage of the workout regimen. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, Monster Health Tips. By subscribing, you become a part of our health-conscious community, and you'll get regular updates with more tips and tricks to enhance your well-being. Consistency and proper form are the pillars of a successful workout regimen. This mantra is at the heart of our ultimate shoulder workout. Let's dive into the exercises you'll need to master to sculpt those coveted Boulder shoulders. First up, we have the overhead press. This is a classic move that targets your deltoids, the muscles that give your shoulders their rounded appearance. It's a staple in any shoulder routine, and for a good reason. It not only builds strength but also promotes stability and control in your upper body. Next are lateral raises. They isolate the lateral or side deltoid, enhancing that broad shoulder look. Remember, it's not about lifting heavy, but lifting right. So keep your movements slow and controlled, focusing on the muscle contraction. Then we move on to front raises. This exercise zeroes in on your anterior deltoids, the muscles at the front of your shoulders. They play a crucial role in all pushing and overhead movements. So strengthening them is crucial to your overall shoulder health and aesthetics. Our fourth exercise is the Arnold Press, named after the legendary Arnold Schwarzenegger. It's an all-in-one move that engages all 3 heads of your deltoid, providing a comprehensive workout for your shoulders. Next, we have shrugs. They target your trapezius, the muscles that extend down the back of your neck and upper spine. A well-developed trapezius can significantly contribute to that impressive wide shoulder look. Lastly, we have reverse flies. This exercise targets your posterior deltoids, the muscles at the back of your shoulders. They're often neglected but crucial for a balanced, injury-free shoulder development. Incorporating these 6 exercises into your daily workout will set you on the path to achieving those massive delts. But remember, consistency is key. It's not about how much you lift once, but how often you lift over time, and always maintain proper form. Not only will it prevent injuries, but it will also ensure that you're effectively engaging the right muscles. Now that you know what exercises to do, let's delve into the details of each. Mastering the technique of each exercise ensures maximum muscle engagement and prevents injuries. Let's dive into the details of each exercise. First up, the overhead press. This exercise is a staple in shoulder workouts for its ability to engage all parts of the deltoid. Start with your feet shoulder width apart, hold the weights at shoulder level, and press them straight up until your arms are fully extended. Lower the weights back down to the starting position with control. Variations can include using dumbbells, barbells, or kettlebells. The key here is to maintain a strong core throughout the movement to protect your lower back. Next, we have lateral raises. This exercise specifically targets the lateral or side portion of the deltoids. Stand upright with a dumbbell in each hand at arm's length. Keep your torso stationary and lift the weights to your side with a slight bend on the elbow. Lower the weights back down slowly after a short pause. Remember, this isn't about lifting heavy, it's all about controlled, deliberate movements. Moving on to front raises, a fantastic exercise for targeting the anterior or front part of the deltoids. Hold a weight in each hand and keeping your torso stationary, lift the weights in front of you with a slight bend at the elbow. Lower them back down with control. The trick here is to engage your core and avoid using momentum to lift the weights. The Arnold Press, named after the legendary Arnold Schwarzenegger, is an excellent exercise for comprehensive deltoid engagement. Start with dumbbells at shoulder height, palms facing your body. As you press the weights up, rotate your hands so your palms face forward at the top of the lift. Reverse the motion as you lower the weights. This exercise engages all parts of the deltoids. Shrugs are all about the trapezius muscles. Stand upright, hold a weight in each hand at your sides and shrug your shoulders as high as you can. Lower them back down with control. It's simple but oh so effective if done right. Remember, it's not about rolling your shoulders but rather lifting them straight up and down. Finally, we have reverse flies, a fantastic exercise to target the rear deltoids. Bend over at the waist, holding a weight in each hand. With a slight bend at the elbow, lift the weights to your sides until your arms are parallel to the floor. Lower them back down slowly. This exercise is all about control and precision, not speed. With these techniques in your arsenal, you're ready to effectively target and sculpt your shoulder muscles. Progressive overload is the secret sauce of muscle growth. It's a simple concept that packs a punch. Think of it as continually challenging your muscles to do more than they're accustomed to. This constant push forces your muscles to adapt, leading to increased strength and size. So, how exactly do you incorporate progressive overload into your shoulder workouts? Well, there are a few ways. You can increase the weight you're lifting, perform more repetitions of each exercise, or even reduce the rest time between your sets. Remember, the goal is to go beyond your comfort zone, but don't overdo it. The increase should be gradual and manageable. You're not aiming to lift a truck on day one. Another important aspect of progressive overload is tracking your progress. Jot down your weights, reps, and sets after each workout. This record keeping will not only show you how far you've come, but it'll also help you plan your future workouts. Tracking your progress will give you a clear picture of your growth and keep you motivated. Your muscles grow not in the gym, but during recovery. This statement underpins the significance of rest and nourishment in your quest for Boulder shoulders. When you hit the gym and break down those muscle fibers with an intense workout, your body needs time to repair and rebuild. This is where recovery comes into play. It's essential to give your shoulders a break between workouts. Overtraining can lead to injuries and hinder your progress. Now, let's talk about nutrition. To support muscle growth, you need to fuel your body with the right nutrients. Your diet should be rich in protein, the building block of muscles. Aim to include lean meats, dairy, legumes, and nuts in your meals. But don't forget your carbohydrates and healthy fats. They provide the energy needed for your workouts and recovery. Finally, staying hydrated is crucial. Water aids in transporting nutrients to your muscles and maintaining overall body function. Proper nutrition and recovery are just as important as the workout itself. Avoiding common mistakes can save you from setbacks in your fitness journey. In the pursuit of Boulder shoulders, it's easy to fall into a few traps. One common pitfall is neglecting the rotator cuff. While deltoids might get the spotlight, the rotator cuff stabilizes your shoulder joint, so don't overlook exercises that strengthen this area. Another mistake is using excessive weight. It's more beneficial to use a weight that allows you to maintain proper form and control throughout each exercise. Remember, quality trumps quantity every time. Injury prevention is also crucial. Overtraining or not allowing adequate recovery time are common missteps. Listen to your body and give it the rest it needs to rebuild and strengthen your shoulder muscles. Lastly, consistency is key. Don't expect overnight results. Muscle growth takes time and patience. With these tips, you are well prepared to avoid pitfalls and keep your progress on track. We love hearing from you, so please leave a comment below with your thoughts, experiences, or what you'd like to see in future videos. Your feedback is our guiding star. Remember, every step towards better health counts, no matter how small. Stay motivated, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next Monster Health Tip video.